In this video, I want to show you how to close the output tray of your Epson ET-2980. So this tray deploys automatically when time comes to print, but unfortunately Epson didn't make it come back inside when everything is done printing. And I guess this is because they don't want your paper to crumble once this goes inside. But again, with a small sensor, this could have solved the issue. They didn't do this, so you have to do it manually. Don't push the tray, okay? Don't force it because you're going to break the mechanism inside. What you need to do is to go on the screen. And they could have put a button over here to close the tray. They didn't do it, again, to save some cost. What you need to do is to press the left side arrow once you are on this main display. You're going to get Store Output Tray. Press OK. And just like that, the tray will come back inside by itself. This is how you store back the tray inside of the printer. I hope this was useful. Leave a like, comment down below if you find that this is a bit annoying, and I'll see you in the next video.